Okay, so what are the expectations from this final culminating keystone assignment, the entering the conversation argument? Well, um, here it is. Here's the assignment. It's available for you on Canvas. I briefly just want to highlight some important information from this assignment, but if you haven't read through the assignment prompt here on Canvas, please do so before watching the rest of this video. This video is just going to highlight a few things. It doesn't stand in for actually understanding and reading this assignment thoroughly. So one thing I want to point out is that when we sit down to compose this final high stakes assignment, we've already done these eight scaffolded steps. So all that really will remain for us is to really put all the pieces together to create this well argued, well researched, well crafted, well supported argument that helps add to the conversation, saying something new and interesting within our discourse community. Right. So a little bit about the audience and the expectations. Our audience is a scholarly reader, and it might be someone who's interested in, but not an expert in, the issues surrounding your discourse community. In short, your audience expects scholarly level of writing. What does this mean? Well, they're going to expect thorough argumentation, structured, that means claims that are supported with evidence, and also reasoning that connects the evidence to the claim. We'll, of course, spend some time talking about that. That's one of the foci of this project. They're going to expect a well-organized, a well-paragraphed, and a titled essay, that all of these things come together to help make sense and to ultimately support and focus on our thesis. We're going to expect standard academic English, which, for better or worse, we'll discuss, is largely the expectation of the university. So we're going to, the reader's going to look for grammar, mechanics, spelling, and punctuation use in a way that clarifies and helps convey meaning rather than perhaps confuse meaning. And of course, a consistent academic formatting and citation style. So, which formatting, which citation style? You get to choose. You are allowed to use any academic formatting and citation style of your choice. All that I'm asking is that whatever style you choose, it needs to be used consistently. Of course, I recommend choosing the citation style that is most common in your intended professional discourse community. In other words, in your major. I'm not going to force you to use the citation style that my discipline uses, my discourse community uses, MLA, when you might never use it again once you leave this class. So I suggest that you choose a citation style, choose the one citation style that is most common in your discipline. For instance, if you're going into psychology, right, you would probably want to choose APA here, American Professional Association. American Psychological Association uses their own citation style. I've included a link here to Purdue's online writing lab that has guides to some of the most common forms. If you're struggling with what citation style to use, feel free to let me know. We can work it out. Finally, I think in order to achieve everything this assignment asks for, this essay will need to be somewhere between 1,000 and 1,250 words. If we're double spacing, that's going to be somewhere, I believe, between 4 to 6 pages. That might sound like a lot to you. Maybe it doesn't. If it does sound like a lot to you, just remember we're going to have almost 8 pieces completed already to help put things together. So I don't think the challenge will be coming up with the 1,000 words. And of course, it would only be fair of me to let you know very explicitly how I'm going to be grading this assignment. So this this rubric is available for you to peruse. Of course, if you have any questions, please let me know, or even better, ask in our public Ask Questions Here discussion board. Great, thank you.